Okay, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making lasagna soup. Now I have made this on my channel already, right? But it was kind of a fast video. It wasn't really in detail, and as I told y'all before, I'm kind of like remaking some of my recipes because those videos they old and they was kind of fast and not slow enough for y'all to keep up with. You know what I'm saying? Try to help y'all, right? So right now I have with me this Boursin cheese, and I just wanted to show y'all this because it's not something that I normally buy, and some stores really don't have it. So this is the garlic and herb, I think, yeah. And they have different kinds and different colors for different kinds, so make sure y'all get this one. But honestly, if you like another kind, you can get another kind, okay? And then we have some marinara sauce. This is not the Rio sauce, and that's why I have it in this container, because I want y'all to get the Rio one brand, because that's actually a good that's the one that I use all the time, but I didn't get that today. So use the Rio marinara sauce, okay? And it was something else. And then we have a cut up tomato that I cut up, and an onion. Hold on, I have the diced up onion here, and then I have a diced tomato as well, but you can use canned diced tomatoes, whatever y'all want, okay? Let's get to it. All right, so the first thing we're going to start off with is some oil. Then we're going to drop in our onions. Just want to saute that down until it starts to sweat. Alright, so after a few minutes, we're going to go ahead and add some minced garlic, y'all. And y'all can add about a teaspoon, but y'all know me, I love garlic, okay? So as we know, garlic will start to burn easily, y'all. So give this a few seconds, and then we're gonna go ahead and toss in our meat. Okay, so we have a pound of ground beef, and then we have a pound of sausage. Okay, this is the ground sausage. So we're just gonna mix that in. So what we want to start doing is seasoning this with some seasoning salt, onion powder, garlic powder, red pepper flakes, Italian, oregano. Yeah, that's it. Did I say onion powder? Yeah. So you really don't want to season this too much because the sausage has flavor in it. But we want to make sure we season around beef, okay? Since there's a lot of liquid in here, I'm going to go ahead and strain this. Some people like to do the paper towel method, in which you can, but it looks like it's a lot, and I ain't trying to use that much paper towel. So let me go strain this real quick. Now we're going to add 24 ounces of marinara. Okay, we're going to add our, this is one tomato, y'all, diced tomato. Now, y'all can do canned tomato like I said, but y'all know I like chunks and stuff. Okay, we're going to do 1 cup of chicken broth. And then we're going to do a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. Now, if you end up needing some more liquid, just add a little bit more of chicken broth. Because we want to let this thicken. Let the heat thicken up that heavy cream. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna put the lid on this and let it simmer for 30 minutes. Okay, so for our cheese, we're gonna add the Boursin. And then we're gonna add about a cup of ricotta. Maybe a little bit more. Then we're gonna do some Parmesan. Y'all just go ahead and eyeball it. Then we're gonna go in with some garlic powder. Then a little bit of black pepper. And then we're gonna do some mozzarella. Let me go get that. Then we just gonna mix that up. And so this is what you want, a nice paste. Okay. Now, it's been 30 minutes. We're gonna add our pasta noodles in this soup. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is break our lasagna noodles up in here. I know y'all think I'm a serial killer for breaking these noodles up, but that's what we gotta do. And since I'm gonna just go ahead and use all of it, the whole pack. Mix this up real good, y'all. Get all them noodles down in there. And like I said, if you need more liquid, just use some more chicken broth, because I didn't use that whole thing. And now we're going to add some cheese in here. Then we're going to go in with some more Parmesan and some mozzarella. We're going to put the lid on for 30 more minutes. Okay, now that our noodles are all soft, we're going to go ahead and plate this now, y'all. But make sure y'all stir in between the 30 minutes. I did it after 15 minutes, I stirred it. I forgot to tell y'all that. And y'all, one thing I love about making this is that it's super easy and you cut down a lot of the time when making a traditional lasagna, y'all, because it's so easy and simple. We're gonna get some of this cheese. Set it right there in the middle. And then we're gonna add some basil. This is some basil chopped up. Fresh basil. Okay. And so if you like a little spice like I do, you're gonna add some crushed red peppers, baby. We're gonna put some basil leaves at the top. This is just for presentation. Y'all know how that goes. All right. Baby, look. Y'all, look, get into it. Y'all, this is how it came out. As y'all just seen anyways. Make sure y'all check out the description box below, because as always, the ingredients are in the description. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button!